Hello students, myself Aishwarya, teacher of Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, teaching in Standard 6th. I'm going to teach today lesson number 11, Ratio and Proportion, Part 2. So let's begin. So children, in the last video in part 1, we have studied about ratio and proportion. What is ratio? Means the comparison done by division is called the ratio. So we have studied some important points about ratio, proportion and all. Now in this video, we're going to study the unitary method. So what is unitary method? So we will first see the example of unitary method. So in this example, a bunch of 15 bananas cost 45 rupees. How much will 8 bananas cost? Cost of 15 bananas is 45 rupees. So, therefore, cost of 1 banana equals to 45 divided by 15 equals to 3 rupees. Therefore, the cost of 8 bananas is 8 multiplied by 3 equals to 24 rupees. So children, now we have solved. Yes. Now I know. So what is unitary method? In this unitary method, you need to find the cost of one article from that of many by division. Then you need to find the cost of many articles from that of one by multiplication. Then this method of solving a problem is called the unitary method, which means now suppose the sum is given. In the first example, we have studied a bunch of bananas cost 15 bananas cost 45 rupees. So to find the cost of 8 bananas, first what we have did? Yes, first we have divided and we have found out the cost of 1 banana by division method. In the second method, we have found out the cost of 8 bananas by multiplication. So this method of solving a problem is called the unitary method. So first you need to find out the cost of one particular article through division, and second you need to find out the cost of the sum by multiplication. So this method of solving a problem is called the unitary method. So we will start practice set 29. Practice set 29. Solve the following. First sum. If 20 meters of cloth cost rupees 3600, find the cost of 16 meter of cloth. So the answer is the cost of 20 meter of cloth is 3600. So now you need to find the cost of 1 meter cloth. So divided by 20. So 3600 divided by 20. So rupees 180. The cost, now you need to find the cost of 16 meter of cloth. So the cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 180. So multiply by 16. What is the answer? Yes, rupees 2880. So the answer is the cost of 16 meter of cloth is rupees 2880. Second sum. Find the cost of 8 kg of rice if the cost of 10 kg of rice is rupees 325. So, the cost of 10 kg of rice is 325. Therefore, the cost of 1 kg of rice is, you need to divide, yes, 325 divided by 10. So the answer will be rupees 32.50. Therefore, the cost of 8 kg of rice is 32.50 multiplied by 8. So answer is rupees 260. Answer is, the cost of 8 kg of rice is rupees 260. Third sum. If 14 chairs cost rupees 5,992, how much will have to be paid for 12 chairs? Now, answer is, the cost of 14 chairs is rupees 5,992. Therefore, the cost of one chair equals to 5,992 divided by 14. So, answer is 428. Rupees 428. So, the cost of one chair is rupees 428. So, the cost of 12 chairs will be 428 multiplied by 12. Answer is 5,136. Therefore, rupees 5,136 have to be paid. Fourth sum. The weight of 30 boxes is 6 kg. What is the weight of 30 boxes? Yes, 6 kg. What is the weight of 1080 such boxes? Solution. The weight of 30 boxes is 6 kg. Therefore, the weight of one box is equal to 6 kg divided by 30. So, answer is 1 upon 5 kg. Therefore, the weight of 1080 boxes equals to 1 upon 5 kg multiplied by 1080. So, what is the answer? Yes, 216 kg. So, answer is, the weight of 1080 boxes is 216 kg. Fifth sum. A car with a uniform speed travels a distance of 165 kilometers in 3 hours. At that same speed, A. How long will it take to cover a distance of 330 kilometers? How far will it take in 8 hours? So, in this question, a car in a speed covers at a distance of 165 kilometers in 3 hours. In the first, you need to find out how long will it take to cover a distance of 330 kilometers. In the second, how far will it take in 8 hours? So, what's the solution? So, solution is, the formula of speed equals to distance upon time. That is, the distance covered in unit time. So, the car travels 165 kilometers in 3 hours. So, in 1 hour, the car travels 165 kilometer divided by 5. So, answer is 55 kilometers. That is, the speed of the car is 55 kilometer per hour. Now, A part. What is the A part question? How long will it take to cover a distance of 330 kilometer? So, the car takes 1 hour to travel 55 kilometer. Therefore, to cover a distance of 330 kilometer, the car will take 330 divided by 5 equals to 6 hours. B. What is the B question? Yes. How far will it take in 8 hours? So, the car travels 55 kilometers in 1 hour. So, therefore, the car travels 55 into 8. So, 440 kilometers in 8 hours. So, answer is in A part. How long will it take to cover a distance of 330 kilometers is 6 hours. And how far will it take in 8 hours? So, 440 kilometers. Sixth question. A tractor uses up 12 liters of diesel while plowing 3 acres of land. How much diesel will be needed to plow 19 acres of land? So, what's the solution? For plowing 3 acres of land, diesel used by tractor is 12 liters. So, for plowing 1 acre of land, diesel used by tractor is 12 liters divided by 3. So, what is the answer? 4 liters. Therefore, for plowing 19 acres of land, diesel used by tractor is, so 4 liters multiplied by 19 equals to 76 liters. So, the answer is 76 liters of diesel will be needed to plow 19 acres of land. Next question. At a sugar factory, 5,376 kg of sugar can be obtained from 48 tons of sugarcane. Now, in a sugar factory, 5,376 kg of sugar will be obtained from 48 tons of sugarcane. If Savita Tai has grown 50 tons of sugarcane, how much sugar will be obtained from it? So, we will see the solution. From 48 tons of sugarcane, 5,376 kg of sugar can be obtained. Therefore, from 1 ton of sugarcane, you need to divide, yes, 5,376 divided by 48. So, answer is 112 kg of sugar can be obtained. Therefore, from 50 tons of sugarcane, so 112 multiplied by 50. So, answer is 5,600 kg sugar can be obtained. Next question. In an orchard, there are 128 mango trees in 8 rows. If all the rows have an equal number of trees, how many trees would be there in 13 rows? So, the solution, in 8 rows there are 128 mango trees. Therefore, in one row will be 16 mango trees. So 128 divided by 8 equals to 16. So in one row there will be 16 mango trees. Therefore, in 13 rows, so 16 multiplied by 13. So what is the answer? 208 mango trees. Therefore, 208 mango trees they will be in 13 rows. Next question. A pond in a field holds 1,20,000 liters of water. It costs rupees 18,000 to make such a pond. How many ponds will be required to store 4,080 liters of water? And what would be the expense incurred? So, what's the solution? So, for holding 1,20,000 liters of water, one pond is required. So, for holding 4,000, sorry, 4,80,000 liters of water will be 4,80,000 divided by 1,20,000. So answer will be 4 ponds are required. So the cost of making one pond is rupees 18,000. Therefore, the cost of making 4 ponds equals to rupees 18,000 multiplied by 4 equals to rupees 7,20,000. So 4 ponds are required. 4 ponds are required and the expenses incurred would be rupees 72,000. So children, you need to write this practice set 29 in your maths notebook. Both the practice set 28 and 29 in your maths notebook. So I hope you understand